Hello, I'm Eviana. In this video, I will explain how to teach the measures of length to the blind students. In this session, we will need a braille measuring tape. The tape is like this. On the braille measuring tape, you will find some small metallic marks at every 1 centimeter. Look at this. On the first long vertical mark or 0 point, there is a metallic component at the end at the edge of tape. Then, the first mark, this is 1 centimeter, and then 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Any number with 5 ones has 2 pieces of metallic marks, like this number 5. And then 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter. On any number with multiplication by 10, there are 3 pieces of metallic marks. Let's continue. 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 15 centimeter. Since 15 is a number having 5 ones, there are 2 marks here. And then 16 centimeter, 17 centimeter, 18 centimeter, 19 centimeter, 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter is a number with multiplication by 10. So there are 3 marks here, etc. Braille measuring tape can measure anything until 150 centimeter long. Besides measuring tape, you also need some objects you want to measure. This time, I will measure riglet, marker, and also paper glue. Let's start. To teach measures of length to the blind students, you can ask them to orientate the braille measuring tape, like what I did before. 0 is marked with a metallic component at the most left side, at the end, at the edge of tape. Then, there are the first mark on 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, etc. On any numbers with 5 ones, there are 2 marks. And on any numbers with multiplication by 10, there are 3 marks.
Seperti tadi, untuk ukuran yang satuannya 5 ada 2 penanda dan untuk ukuran kelipatan 10 terdapat 3 penanda.
After students finish the orientation, you can ask them to choose what object they want to measure first. For example, you can measure the shortest object first. You can compare the length of the 3 objects. You see, the shortest one is the paper glue. Take the paper glue and let's measure it. Ask student to put the glue close to the measuring tape, to the part or side with the marks. Ask them to make sure that the edge of the paper glue is aligned with 0 point. Well, you can measure with your fingers. Also, make sure that the measuring tape and paper glue do not move. Push the tape and glue with your left hand and find another edge of the paper glue with your right hand. Decide where another edge of the glue is aligned with the mark. Align with which mark on the measuring tape.
Bisa mencari ujung lem yang satunya itu sejajar dengan penanda yang mana. Di titik mana?
Another edge of the glue is aligned with the tape. Okay, here. Then, you can put aside the glue and let's start counting with your left hand. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, here 8 and a bit longer. So the length of the paper glue is about 8 centimeter. That's the first example. To measure the second object, you can ask them to choose again. For example, you want to measure the length of the marker. Do the same thing. Put the marker close to the measuring tape. Make sure that the edge of marker is aligned with number 0. Then, make sure that the marker and measuring tape do not move and find on what number another edge of the marker is.
Tidak bergeser dan kita rabakan ujung yang satunya berada di titik yang mana. kita beri tanda, kita bisa tandai dengan jari kanan, kemudian kita bergeser
Put your right finger on the mark and put aside the marker. And let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, it is right on 15 centimeter. So the length of the marker is 15 centimeter. That's it. Finally, I will measure a stationery usually used by the blind students, namely riglet. I will measure the length of this riglet. How long is it?
kita akan mengukur panjang rigletnya berapa ya.
Well, I will do the same way. I put the riglet close to the measuring tape. Don't forget to make sure that the edge of riglet is aligned with 0 point. Also make sure that the tape and riglet do not move. I put them aligned.
Pastikan bahwa dua benda tadi tidak bergeser.
Another edge of riglet also should be aligned with the tape. And let's see on what number. After that, you can put aside the riglet. And let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. You see, the length of the riglet is 22 centimeter. Okay, that's how to teach the measure of length by using braille measuring tape to the blind students. Thank you and goodbye.
Braille untuk siswa tunanetra. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih.